Bella. Where's she at?
Boo! And here's Naraya.
We're gonna be making bread in a bag and homemade butter. Here's everything you will need for our bread in the bag. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Yeah.
In our gallon bag, we're gonna pour 1 cup flour. Let's do it. Whoa. Now we're gonna pour 3 tablespoons sugar.
Cup 1 water. Wow.
1 yeast packet. Now we zip it.
And now we squish.
Now we wait for 10 minutes.
And go play outside.
After 10 minutes, we add 1 cup flour.
I already dumped mine.
1.5 teaspoons salt.
I did it already. And
I did it already. Tablespoons oil.
Done.
Now we seal the bag and squish it.
Punch. Punch.
And 1 last cup of flour.
I already did mine, guys. Oh, yeah.
Push it 1 last time to make sure it's mixed together.
Now dump it out.
Sticky.
Then
Now we knead it for 5 to 10 minutes or until smooth. Once it is smooth, you will split it in half. Once they are split in half, you'll put it in a greased pan.
cover with a towel.
And we set it aside for later and let it rise for 30 minutes. While your bread is rising, have an adult set your oven to 375.
For our butter.
Heavy whipping cream and a mason jar. Now we put our lid on.
And shake it.
You will need to shake for 15 minutes. After about 5 minutes, your thing should start to separate.
Shaking it.
Now it's time to strain our butter. Here's my butter.
Here's my butter.
Now it's time to set our bread in the oven for 25 minutes.
Oh yeah.
This is what your bread should look like.
Look at mine.
Now it's time to enjoy, and don't forget to comment below how yours turned out.
See you next time. Bye.